is define phase. The toughest phase in any project is define phase. You have to clearly understand the problem. Understanding the problem means you must make the problem measurable. Understanding the problem means you must make it measurable. Imagine if a doctor is not able to do any diagnosis for his patient, do you think the doctor can give the treatment to the patient without diagnosis? Come on.
No.
Definitely no. So that means you need to make your problem measurable. When it is measurable, then you measure. That is called a diagnosis. So the doctor will be asking a lot of questions. Why? He want to understand the real reason for the real problem you're experiencing. And so he will move on to the next stage called a diagnosis. Similarly, for you to move on to the measure phase, you first have to make your problem measurable. Then you measure. Now, when you measure, it's important it is important to measure correctly. When you are going for a diagnosis, will you go for some best laboratory or are you okay with any kind of diagnostic center? We look for the best.
Only best.
Why? We wanted to correctly understand. Yes, Sandeep. We want to correctly understand our body, isn't it? We wanted to know the condition of the body very correctly, and then only our treatment can go in the correct direction. So if you diagnose wrongly, or if the measurement comes with the error, then you will misunderstand the problem. If you by wrongly understanding the problem, then you will offer a wrong kind of treatment. So that should not be the case. So you need to measure correctly. And we are going to teach you certain tools and techniques by which you yourself will come to know the amount of error you are committing while collecting data. Anytime you collect the data, you will commit error. Anytime you collect the data, you will commit error. So you should find a way to measure the measurement error and see to that the measurement error is limited to 10%, because you can't eliminate completely. But you can control it and see to that it is less than 10%. Your primary job is control the measurement error, and then only you must go for the baseline. Baseline is where do you stand as of now, the baseline performance. And once the baseline is understood, the difference between baseline and the target is called gap in performance. And now you move on to the next phase. Analyze for the root cause. The root cause for the gap in performance. The root cause for the problem. Again, how will you? Root cause is nothing but what? The critical factor. The root cause is nothing but critical factor. With the coffee example, you nicely answered the critical factor. Same way, in your the technical problems also, you must correctly identify the root cause. And you can explore tools like brainstorming, why analysis, fishbone diagram or cause and effect analysis. And you can also use impact control matrix, Pareto diagrams, and then an important tool called hypothesis testing to identify and validate the root cause. The fishbone diagram will help you to identify the root cause, identify the critical factor. For validation of critical factor, again, statistical procedures are required. So you can't avoid the statistical procedures. So that is what you will be learning in the training program. And then once the root cause is identified, root cause is validated, now you can think about the solution. Why we are recommending you to think about the solution now? You have gone through these three phases. You have defined the problem correctly. You measured the problem correctly. You analyze the problem for the root cause. If you do all these three things properly, you are fit to talk about the solution. If you don't do the three steps properly, now you are not even eligible to talk about the solution. So solution is nothing but fixing the root cause. And for fixing the root cause, you must have a clear understanding on the relationship of the X with the Y. If the relationship of the X with the Y is understood, solution will automatically evolve. Once solution is evolved, to sustain the solution, you will come out with some control measure. You will come out with some control measure. This is like doctor giving advice to the patient, right? He gives a lot of useful tips, because if you keep on following the advice, then your health will be maintained as it is. Same way, whatever benefits you achieved for your company, you can sustain it very easily by controlling the critical factor, because the critical factor is the culprit which created the problem. You monitor and control it, and so the problem will not happen again. So this is called the methodology. So every phase contains